In this video, we will look at how to describe financial information in words. This video will review the vocabulary needed to discuss changes over time. We will also look at how to use the passive voice with verbs in a business plan. Let's look at an example sentence we might find in a business plan. Revenues are expected to increase from 2015 to 2018. Let's first look at that verb increase. You probably know that this means revenue will get bigger. The business will make more money. So we can say revenues will increase. We could also say revenues will grow or revenues will go up. These verbs are synonyms. They all have the same meaning. Now let's look at the opposite of these words. Maybe you expect costs to get smaller over time. So you could say costs will decrease, costs will decline, costs will go down. These are all good ways to express this idea. There are others, but these 6 phrases are enough to start writing sentences for your business plan. In addition to this special vocabulary, you can use a special grammar structure to write about financials. This is the passive voice. Let's look at this sentence in the active voice. Our company expects revenues to increase next year. English speakers sometimes use the passive voice to focus attention on the most important noun in the sentence. In this sentence, that is revenues, not our company. The reader will understand that your company is calculating this financial information. It's more important to focus on revenues. So you could write, revenues are expected to increase next year. The form are expected is called the passive voice. Notice the I or our company is not in the sentence. Let's take a closer look at how to form passive verbs using the verb to expect. Passive verbs have 2 parts, a form of to be and the past participle of the verb. In this video, we will only look at the present tense as that is used to describe data in a business plan. So to be becomes is or are. The past participle of expect is expected. So we have it is expected or they are expected. For your business plan, choose is or are, depending on if the noun is plural or singular. So you would write, revenue is expected. Costs are expected. Let's practice. Try another example on your own. How would you change these sentences to use the passive voice? Remember, which noun is the most important? A. I designed this product to help children with their homework. B. I designed these products to help children with their homework. Remember, you can use the passive voice to focus the reader's attention on the product or products, not you, because they already understand that you are the business owner. For more practice with the form, play the game that follows this video. Let's put it all together. If we look at this graph of costs, we can use special vocabulary and passive voice to write a description. Costs are expected to decline in the future. Costs are expected to decrease or go down. In this video, we looked at describing financial information with special vocabulary for changes over time and the use of passive voice.